Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a blog using Google Blogger. So first, you're going to have to go to blogger.com. And being that I'm already signed in and I already have an account, you'll see my different pages here that I've created. If you have never done this before, you'll have to set up an account, which is really easy. They will walk you through that. For the purposes of this video, we are going to create a new blog. And I'm just going to set up a page about my family's vacations that we take. We do a lot of traveling. And you have to create an address. Let's see if this is taken. And it checks, and this is available. If you have chosen a name and it's already been taken, it'll tell you right here that it's unavailable, and then you can just make some adjustments here. We are going to go with a simple template. I prefer the simple template because it's easier to move things around and delete the stuff that's already there and add your own. You can always change it later. Here, it asks you if you want to find a domain name for your blog. And basically what that's asking is if you want to purchase this name here so that nobody else can use it. So we're just going to skip that. Okay. And this is where you're going to add your new posts, create pages, look at the comments people have made, take a look at the layout. We're going to start there. And this is what you will see in your header. Okay, you can always edit it from there. You can add gadgets. We're going to add a gadget to the right side, the sidebar. And we are going to add, oops. Google Translate. Okay, we're going to put that on the sidebar. One reason I'm doing this is because I have family all around the world and I want them to be able to read what I post. They can translate. It just makes it easier. It's just one gadget that I'm putting in there. You can put anything you'd like in there. Okay, so this kind of shows you what it's going to look like. You've got your main post, your sidebar gadgets, and your footers. You can add any information that you want to the footer. If you were creating this for a company, you might add your company information. Now we can go back to the template and see what it looks like. We're going to customize this. I don't really like the orange there. So we're going to change it to a blue background, and it shows you right here what it's going to look like. Okay, you can, when they talk about the background, they're talking about this right here, not your page background, this right here. Okay, you can change it to any color you like. Okay, I think I'm going to stick with the blue. And you can adjust the width of your page. This is the information here. That's what they're talking about. I would like to set that a little bit wider. I'm going to put it about 1,000. I just feel like you want people to see the background a little bit, but not too much. You can also adjust your sidebar here and where that's located. Now, when you start adding images in here, sometimes your image is too large, so you're might have to go back and adjust this. You can adjust the layout. I've decided to have the header, the main posts, and right sidebar. You can adjust it any way you want to have sidebars on each side with your little widgets there. It's up to you. Okay, you can also go into the advanced settings, and this is where you can change the background colors, change the colors of your links. I think it's a little strange that once you visit a site, it changes the color. So we're going to make this the same as this, just for consistency. We're going to change our title, make it a little bolder, maybe a little darker. Okay. You can change the font and the color of your description, the color of your tabs, tab backgrounds, post titles. Okay, this is where you're going to do the details. Okay, so let's, and when you make a change to your blog, you want to make sure that you click on apply. Otherwise, it will not apply it to it. It won't save it. So let's view this and see what it looks like. Okay, just very basic. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to insert a post or create a post. Okay. First you have to title it. So we're going to say Crater Lake. That was one place we went. And we are going to add, first of all, you want to make sure that people can comment. You can always change that to not allow comments. You can add a location. You can create a permanent link to this particular page. You can schedule the post for a specific time. If it's not set to automatic, it'll post immediately. Otherwise, you can set a date and time. Okay, and we're going to insert an image. Let's see, right there. Okay, this is picture of my son at Crater Lake. We're going to add that to the post, and then we're going to publish this. Okay, so let's view and see what that looks like. So I've just labeled it Crater Lake and added a post. You could add text here. You can make adjustments here. Notice the little tools. This is where you can make quick changes. There are many possibilities here. They're truly endless. You can create separate pages. Say that I wanted to walk you through our different vacations. We've gone to Germany. That's where my family is from. You can create a new page for our most recent West Coast road trip. That was our last vacation that we took this summer. And so that you can have separate pages for each of your topics. I hope this was somewhat helpful. The best way I've learned how to do this is just going in with some basics and kind of figuring out what works for me and what doesn't. So this is my blog, and I hope you have fun using yours.